All right, let's go ahead and preheat our oven for 350 degrees. And we're going to use 1 jar or 16 ounces of fresh marinara sauce. And then we have our 4 tablespoons of vegan Parmesan cheese. And obviously our homemade 6 ounces of vegan ricotta cheese, or 12 tablespoons. We're using a pastry bag because it's a lot easier and I think it looks prettier. And this is 1 box of large pasta shells cooked 3/4 of the way through. They're going to cook the rest of the way through inside of the oven, so we like to make sure that they're not cooked all the way through. And this will prevent them from drying out. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to take the marinara sauce and we're going to layer it all through the surface of the pan. The reason why we're doing this is because we don't use oil for this recipe, and this is going to prevent the shells from sticking to the pan. And all you want to do is just simply make sure you're covering the entire surface. And then you just want to layer the pasta down, and each shell will get about 1 to 5 tablespoons of ricotta cheese. And again, if you have a pastry bag, I assure you it will take a lot faster. But if you don't, I've been using a tablespoon for years, and it is just as effective. Let's go ahead and speed this process up a little bit, shall we? Ah, that looks a lot better. Can you imagine if I can work this fast in real life? I'll have like 4 days in 1 day. It'll be amazing. All right, we got just a few more shells to go. Do not be afraid to stuff the pan completely. You can have the shells touch each other. Trust me, they will be okay. All right, now what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and take the remaining marinara sauce and we're going to slather it all over the shells. Now this is up to you. You can use as much or as little as you prefer. This is where your creativity comes in mind. A lot of the recipes that we provide to you are bases to be creative, to make it your own, to introduce your style into your dish. We provide you with the base, and then the rest is up to you. Now we're going to go ahead and take the Parmesan cheese, and we want to make sure that we're layering the Parmesan all over the shells. When the Parmesan starts to toast, it gives the layer of the shell a nice toasty crust, almost like toasted cheese. Just a quick tip, you can store your extra Parmesan in an Old Spice jar, put it in the refrigerator or in the cabinet, and use it all week long. It's amazing. Excellent. Now we're going to go ahead and place it into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. You want to get that whole entire surface nice and toasty. All right, let's go. Ah, with the magic of television, 10 minutes has passed. Or I would say the magic of editing. All right, so you see that? It's nice and toasty. It's baked all the way through. And now that we have everything all ready to go, we are going to go ahead and whip this up, serve it, and obviously enjoy it. So thank you again for watching this amazing video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you ever have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. But right now, I'm going to serve this on a plate, and we're going to have an amazing time. Until next time, this is Manny with the Vegan Gents stuffed shells with spinach tofu ricotta recipe.